What up mga solid subscriber, no? So ngayon manood po tayo na itong Jungkook, Usher, ito kasama niya si Usher, no? Standing Next to You, no? Usher remix, no? So ito, sobrang excited na ako. Alam niyo naman si Jungkook, I'm a very big fan of Jungkook din, no? And ayun nga, no? Ngayon, alam ko pumasok na sila sa army, no? And syempre mag-serve na po sila sa kanilang country, no? Like, kailangan nila yun. Kumbaga mandatory po kasi talaga yun, no? So ito, ayoko na patagalin pa, so without further ado, let's all watch this. Mga sir, yung mga dancer po nakasama ni Jungkook, sabihin ko lang sa inyo, hindi sila basta-basta dancer, Unang-una sa lahat, Brian Puspos, no? Brian Puspos, isa sa mga tanjag na dancer po yan talaga sa ibang bansa. And take note guys, take note, Pinoy po yan si Brian Puspos, no? Pure Pinoy po yan si Sir Brian Puspos, no? Sobrang kilala lang talaga siya sa ibang bansa, doon ka siya talaga lumaki. And then Sir Ian Eastwood, and then Vin Nguyen of Kinjas, no? And then yung, if I'm correct, Koryo Cookie siya, Cookie siya, no? Yan. Sikat na grupo sa ibang bansa. And then yung dalawa, hindi ko kilala, pero I think sikat na dancer din sila sa ibang bansa. Hindi ko na sila ma-recognize. No? Siyempre, Jungkook. Oh! Grabing hit ni Jungkook.
Standing next to you, standing in the fire next to you. Oh, you know it's deeper than the rain.
Hey, that choreography. Nakapanibago na si Jungkook, sobrang ikli ng book niya ngayon. No? Nasanay kasi tayo ako way back talaga since pinanood ko si Jungkook, BTS days pa talaga. BTS days, no? Yun. Yung time na talagang BTS, yung time pa yung Fire, lahat. As in yung, may mas unang-una pa rin, pero hindi ko maalala yung title na. Ayan, Bulletproof, no? Talagang mahaba ng buhok ni Jungkook. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita na maig ng buhok. Take, boom. Nice one, that turn. Standing next to you. Standing next to you. Woo! Usher!
Stop, can you feel that? It's like heaven and earth moves whenever we
Oh!
for real, I know you feel that. The universe
Glide, yun sa mga favorite ko ni Usher yung Glide.
so elegant in heaven, send these vibes, yeah. It's where we're too ready to leave.
Hindi tumatanda si Usher, no? Woo! That footwork, man! Damn, two legends ng meet.
Screaming, I'll testify that we'll survive the test of time. They can't deny our love. They can't divide us. We'll survive the test of time. I swear that I'll be ready. Standing next to you, next to you. Oh, next to you. You know it's deeper than the rain. It's deeper
Yay!
deep like DNA. Something they can't take away. Hey, tick, 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 we take off. Standing next to you.
Mapansin mo, ewan ko lang kung so,
It's deeper than the pain. Deep like DNA. Something they can't take away. Hey, tick, 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 we take off. Can't take away. Hey, tick, 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 we take off. Something they can't take away. Hey, tick, 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 we take off. Something they can't take away. Hey, tick, 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 we take off.
I don't know why kung parang naghahabol si Usher, no, or what, no, pero parang may mga parts siya na parang kinakapa niya, no? Pero considering kasi na iba talaga yung generation ng galaw ni Usher, no? Pero correct, don't get me wrong, pero si Usher sobrang solid niya na dancer, no? Sobrang ngayon lang talaga, sobrang technical na lang po talaga ng mga sayo talaga, no? And alam naman si Usher, no, kung yung panahon that time, no, sobrang solid ni Usher talaga gumalaw, no? Pero siguro sobrang ikli din ng preparation ni Asher nung inaral niya yung steps na to, no? Pero si Asher, isa yun sa mga sobrang solid sumayaw talaga.
Standing next to you, and I'm right here. Standing next to you.
Oh!
Standing right here. No, I ain't going nowhere. Standing next to you.
Woo! Nakita niyo yung turn ng necklace si Asher na yan.
Step up right here. You feel it? Coast.
Nice! Connections! Popping! Grabe popping ni Asher.
Coast. Come on.
Hehehe, ang cute lang naman. Hey. Grabe. Ang galing, promise, yung collab nila ni Asher. Sobrang solid. Ano. Ito yung mga isa sa mga choreography na hindi mo ina-expect na mangyayari, no? Pero, ayun, nangyari siya, no? Ang angas lang kasi si Asher, alam niyo, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, si Asher isa yun sa mga performer before ng mga artist na talagang solid sumayaw, no? Gustong gusto ko yung pag nag-glide siya, no? Panoorin niyo yung pag nag-glide si Asher, sobrang linis talaga as in, no? Ayun yung gusto ko kay Asher, no? Ang grabe siya mag-glide. Yung glide, yung ano ba? Moonwalk. Yung moonwalk glide po yun, ha? Sadyang backslide yun. Ang pinaka-term po talaga ng moonwalk is backslide. Pero naging famous lang siya kasi ginawa ni Michael Jackson na moonwalk ang tawag, no? Pero backslide po talaga yun sa popping na sayaw, no? So, yun. Trivia lang. Ayun na yun, si Asher sobrang solid mag-glide niya sa mga footworks niya. Mukha siyang lumulutang pag nag-footworks. And so, ayan, and maraming salamat sa video na to, no, dahil sobrang nakita natin kung paano mag-collab ang dalawang artists from magkaibang generation. So, ayun. So, ayun lang, kung meron ka pa comment down below, message nyo sa Facebook page na Point to Bed. So, this is me, Point to Bed, signing out. Peace, let's see.